Over in Infusionsoft, come up here to the main navigation, go to e-commerce and then settings right over here on the side. Then, once you hit this page, click on the Orders tab. That's the second option in that left-hand box right there. Once you're on this page, look down to where you see Default Merchant Account for Manual Orders. Now, I only have one merchant account set up in this Infusionsoft app, and that merchant account is through Authorize.net, and I've named it Test inside of Infusionsoft. So to actually find the ID, we need to right-click and hit View Page Source. Then, use the Find function of your browser. That's typically Command F or Control F. Then search for, in this case, Authorize or the name that you know. So mine was Authorized because it's Authorize.net, but you can also search for the name of that merchant account, such as I named mine Test. So once you find it, you can see the value equals 2. So this is actually just pulling from that drop down and it's telling us the values. If you have multiple merchant accounts, you'll see them all listed just right here under each other with their values right next to them. So just find the one that you want to use to process the orders and then copy that ID, come back over here to Memberium e-commerce and paste that ID in the default merchant account and then press update.